Hi everyone, I'm Dan Clark, Senior Research Chef for McCormick, and I'm excited to showcase to you guys a really cool recipe today. Now, bringing something new to your menu doesn't have to be this complicated process. I'm going to show you an interesting utilization of some of our top manufacturers' products. Plus, as a Dining Alliance member, you're going to continue to earn cash back on each case purchased. So, one of the first things we're going to be working with is our Smithfield Smokin' Fast Shredded Brisket. This has been cooked for 14 hours, it's been hand trimmed, hand shredded, and this is ready to cook right in the bag. So we've gone ahead and cooked that and drained out some of that liquid. We're going to take about a cup of our shredded brisket here, and to that, we're going to add our Carolina Tangy Gold. Now this is from our Cattleman's line. This features all those sweet notes of the molasses, a little bit of tang from that apple cider vinegar, and of course, that backbone of that classic Carolina mustard barbecue sauce. So we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons and toss that up real quick. Super simple. Next, onto our McCain Anchor breaded Wisconsin cheese curds. We're gonna go pop these into the fryer until they are golden brown and delicious. These cheese curds are easily utilized on menus as an appetizer topping, just like we're using today. Now that these are golden brown, it is time to assemble our flatbread. The first step we're gonna do is take our Carolina Tangy Gold, do about 2 tablespoons of a base right there on the flatbread. Now take some of that sauced brisket that we made earlier and distribute that nicely all over our flatbread. Next, we're gonna take a little bit of our shredded mozzarella here. We're gonna sprinkle that right on top. And now, because you can never have too much cheese, we're gonna add our nice and crispy McCain Anchor breaded Wisconsin cheese curds. We're just kind of spreading them out so that each bite gets a cheese curd. Time to pop it in the oven to melt the cheese. So this has been in the oven for about 5 or 6 minutes, just long enough to kind of melt that cheese, but it's not done yet. We've got a few more delicious components. One of the first things we're gonna make is what we like to call a +1. Now a +1 is when you take something like maybe a buttermilk ranch that we've got here and you add a product. So one of the products we're gonna be adding today is our Grill Mates barbecue seasoning. We're gonna add about half of a tablespoon per half cup of the ranch. This seasoning gives you that sweetness from the brown sugar, the molasses, and of course that nice hickory note to it. We're gonna go ahead and transfer that to a squeeze bottle. Now we are on our final assembly. Now we're adding pickled red onions because of course it's got that nice little bit of crunch, but also that hit of vinegar just works so nicely. Now our Carolina barbecue sauce, because honestly you cannot get enough of this barbecue sauce. And now our ranch that we enhanced with our Grill Mates barbecue seasoning. And now lastly, we are gonna add some of our fresh picked cilantro that I think really rounds out a lot of the flavors in this dish. And there it is, our barbecue flatbread. We think it's a fun twist on some items you guys are already buying. We've got the gooey cheese curds, the smoky brisket, the sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. It's gonna be an absolute winner on any menu.